You must know about one cryptocurrency, among hundreds of others, Bitcoin, the king of all cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is the most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization that exceeds 40% of all cryptocurrencies. Its rise in value and popularity has been exceptional. Bitcoin, on the other hand, has ups and downs, and everyone should be aware of them. Welcome to Curiosity Cloud. You probably heard about Bitcoin somewhere. However, you might scratch your head about what exactly Bitcoin is and how does it work. Make sure to watch to the end to find out. Bitcoin was created in 2009, in the aftermath of the economic recession, when house prices plummeted, millions of jobs were lost, and the stock market crashed. The concept of Bitcoin was introduced in a white paper written by a mysterious and pseudonymous figure known as Satoshi Nakamoto. Nobody knows who the author is. It could be a group of people. Don't believe the self-proclaimed Satoshis out there, they're phony messiahs. Perhaps the easiest way to understand Bitcoin is to think of it as the internet for money. The internet is purely digital, no single person owns or controls it. It's borderless, meaning anyone with electricity and a device can connect to it, it runs 24/7, and people who use it can easily share data with one another. Now imagine if there was an internet currency, where everyone who used the internet could help secure it, issue it, and pay each other directly with it without involving a bank. That's essentially what Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is based on the blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger system for verifying, storing, and ordering Bitcoin transactions. A blockchain's data can't be changed, and it's completely transparent to everyone. These are critical credentials for a payment system that is confirmed publicly without the involvement of a trusted third party. The Bitcoin blockchain, as the name implies, is a digital string of chronologically ordered blocks, chunks of code containing Bitcoin transaction data. When new transactions are confirmed and added to the ledger, the network automatically updates every user's copy of the ledger to reflect the most recent transactions. Think of it as an open Google document that updates automatically when anyone with access edits its content. Thanks to blockchain technology, no one, not banks and governments, not Satoshi themselves, can change, duplicate, or recreate Bitcoins. The future of Bitcoin is highly controversial. The overwhelming sentiment among cryptocurrency supporters is that Bitcoin will eventually replace gold, and as a viable alternative to fiat currencies. They believe that over the next decade, the total market capitalization of cryptocurrencies will skyrocket, reaching trillions of dollars. However, Bitcoin's utility as a payment method has been hampered by its price volatility. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate dramatically from day to day, and even minute to minute, making it an unsuitable payment option. Most Bitcoin challenges may be resolved in due time as a result of technological advancements. What will be more difficult to overcome is the fundamental paradox that has baffled cryptocurrencies. The more popular they become, the more regulation and government control they are likely to attract, which questions the primary purpose for their existence. But what do you think about this video? Do you still have questions left about Bitcoin? Or, perhaps you'd like to learn more about other cryptocurrencies? Please let me know in the comments section. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, so you don't miss an update, and you can enjoy the great content we send your way.